Most of us want our companies to be customer-centric. We say it, we mean it, we put in the strategy. The hard part is what happens after we say it. Good intentions are the easy bit, but turning them into the decisions people make every day is where it gets real, and exactly where companies get stuck. At the CX Solutions Summit, I want to make that part easier. I'm going to share the customer-centric system, from leadership intent all the way to daily habits. We will work in small groups, take one company, run it through the system, and design what being customer-centric actually looks like in practice. You will see where customers fall through the gaps and the practical moves that close them. Come in and build it with me. Register for the CX Solutions Summit on October 21st in London. But for now, this is Ilenia Vidili.